Hello everyone, it's 28th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have 12 states and UTs, 51 crore voters after Bihar SIR next round from November 4. Again, very important for quality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have energy trade principles are applied selectively. Jaishankar swipes at US. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have government may attempt cloud seeding today. Very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have rename Mustafabad as Kabir Dham. UP CM proposes new name for the village. Again, very important news for quality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have SC Junk Center's appeal against Calcutta High Court's Manrega order. Again, very important for quality and governance perspective. Then we have CGI recommends Justice Suryakant as successors. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says Bihar on the move. The state's economic turnaround has been remarkable. Again, very important for state perspective. Moving forward, we have friends of friends. India shouldn't be worried about Pakistan's closeness to US. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have mothering AI, the Adivasi way. Again, very important for science and tech as well as society perspective. Moving forward, we have goodbye North Block. As we leave the building, I wonder what will happen to animals we lived with. Again, a very important editorial. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Zelensky says Ukraine and allies to work on truce plan in next 10 days. Then we have Wang Yi, Rubio hold phone call days ahead of Trump's Xi Jinping meeting. Again, then we have UN troop shoots down Israeli drone in Lebanon. Then we have Pak peace talks enter third day as Trump offers to help. Lastly, we have for generations Saudi supplied world with oil. Now it wants to export AI. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. This news is also important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have Indian Oil says will abide by all sanctions imposed by international community. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have India's crude import from US surges to highest since 2022. Then we have government clears 7 projects worth 5,532 crore under electronic component scheme. Again, very important news for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have Lastly, we have row over PM Shri school scheme which Kerala has agreed to implement. Again, a very important news for education perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.